So in order for a plant to make energy, you're going to need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. That will create the plant's energy, which is also known as glucose. And obviously that also creates oxygen, which
Why don't you shut your mouth
lets
up?
us breathe and allows us to create more carbon dioxide and basically just cycles the atmosphere. Now, aside from questioning why you're watching this video, you may be asking, well, how does the sunlight get into the plant? Well, I'll explain it to you. So inside of a plant's leaves, it has this thing called chloroplasts, and inside of those is a pigment called chlorophyll. And what that does, it absorbs all light except for green light, and it turns that light into energy that it is able to use for the photosynthesis process. And speaking of that light to energy process, the main way that happens is by two types of reactions: light-independent reactions and light-dependent reactions. Light-dependent reactions take light into the thaclyoid, and that converts the light into ATP and NADPH, which sends that over to the stroma, and that's where the light-independent reaction happens. It uses CO2 and some sugars to change it into ADP and NADP. And that's basically just the whole light reaction cycle. So basically, the way photosynthesis works, the plant takes in sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and it processes that through light-independent and dependent reactions and turns it into glucose. And that also creates oxygen, which is released into the air that allows us to breathe. If plants were gone, it would just be a little bit like